other car wars it. Good day everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel! How are you kids?
We're fine.
Very good. And now, we will be having a vlog featuring a Hot Wheels toy. Hot Wheels toy po ay isa po sa mga paboritong laruan ng mga kids and kids at heart as well. Okay, simple lang po itong isi-share namin ngayon sa inyo. For those of you who are Hot Wheels fanatic, we will be featuring today Hot Wheels City Cobra Attack Playset. Am I right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, this is a Cobra Attack Playset. Alam ko pong napakarami na pong mga ano bang matatawag natin dito? Playsets with regards to Hot Wheels. But so far, ito po muna ang feature namin ngayon sa inyo. So, my kids will explain to you how to play this specific playset. Okay? Ate?
I will.
Okay, Gian will say.
You get this one car, then put it inside the whatever that's called. It's like a building that there's something inside you put the car in. Yeah. Then you put this one inside here. It's like a tunnel. Yeah. Train. Yeah, and press this button. Oh. This one again. Then. So if any car gets stuck inside the mouth and then it gets stuck, you have to save it. So you get the car, any kind of car, you put it inside and throw it, and if it goes here, it will like slide down and press it, and if the car clicks like this, it will fall down. And when the car continuously goes down, the car that you've used, it will hit this one and then something here like this, and then when the car kick okay, so now we prepared so what we're gonna do. Okay, so now we are gonna show you that me and my brothers now gonna versus ourselves. So 3 cars for each. So when I finish these 3 cars, then it's Gian's turn. Okay, first me.
So how to know who wins the game?
If you save the orange car and you have still more cars left. So let's start. The first car in. Okay, next car. Goodness, it was close. And there we win. I say.
And yes, the other car was it.
So now I used all 3 cars, and now it's Gian's turn. This is going to be hard. Good, next car. Small. Oh. Gian used all 3 cars but didn't save the car below. So, I am the winner! I think. Yay! That's it all! If you like what we did, don't forget to hit that button below. Bye! Bye!